Hello, amazing learners! Welcome to our spelling and reading adventure. In this lesson, we will spell and read words with consonant L blends. Come, spell and read with me. Blue. B L U E. Let's spell the word again. B L U E. Blue. Let's read the sentence. Say, the sky is blue. The sky is blue. Blouse. B L O U S E. Let's spell the word once more. B L O U S E. Blouse. Read the words after me. Mila buys a new blouse. Mila buys a new blouse. Blood. B L O O D. Let's spell that again. B L O O D. Blood. Read the words after me. The doctor takes a sample of his blood. The doctor takes a sample of his blood. Glass. G L A S S. Let's spell the word again. G L A S S. Glass. Let's read the sentence. Say, the glass of juice looks yummy. The glass of juice looks yummy. Glue. G L U E. Let's spell that again. G L U E. Glue. Read after me. You has a big bottle of glue. You has a big bottle of glue. Flower. F L O W E R. Let's spell the word again. F L O W E R. Flower. Let's read a sentence. Say, Jade picks flowers from the garden. Jade picks flowers from the garden. Floor. F L O R. Let's spell the word once more. F L O R. Floor. Read the words after me. Beth mops the floor. Beth mops the floor. Plant. P L A N T. Let's spell that again. P L A N T. Plant. Read after me. Nate waters the plants. Nate waters the plants. Plate. P L A T E. Let's spell that again. P L A T E. Plate. Read the words after me. There are healthy food on the plate. There are healthy food on the plate. Plane. P L A N E. Let's spell the word again. P L A N E. Plane. Read the words after me. The plane flies high up in the sky. The plane flies high up in the sky. Great job, children! You did it! Remember to always practice spelling and reading so you can improve your English skills. See you in our next lesson! And thank you for watching! If you found this lesson helpful, please click like and subscribe.